Yeah, hello guys. Welcome you all for this End-to-End AIML session. It's going to be a year-long session where we're going to teach you everything from scratch. So yeah, guys, hope you guys are enjoying. So please subscribe to our channel so that you can get everything because it's going to be a year-long program. Once this program is ended, like you guys can have a better understanding on all the things to become a successful data scientist. So before going for this session, as we are always saying, like please watch the previous videos which we have done, so because you can have a better understanding of what we are saying. Okay, so welcome guys once again for the session. So yeah, we will just dive deep into the session that we are having today. So today the session is all about introduction to data science tools and software. So this is what today's concept we're going to learn. So yeah, so let's dive into this session. Okay, so the world of data science is vast and constantly evolving. Mastering the right tool and software is crucial for success in this field. Okay, guys, I will put it in this way. Okay, so today we are gonna learn some important tools in data science and their software. The major thing is consider we are having a traditional analysis. Like why we are moving for the data science. The major thing is it is lack of some important tools and techniques and time-consuming process which we are having in the traditional method. So what makes this data science very interesting is that one line of code, two line of code, packages available, like those things. Okay, so whenever we are doing a big kind of thing which is within a stupid time or like very less time, and with the help of different tools and techniques, then it makes the things easier. Like the life of data scientist is very easier. So we need to choose an appropriate tool. Actually, we are having lots of tool available. So for visualization we are having multiple tools, for analysis we are having multiple tools, for projections, for ppt creation, everything we are having tools. So right tools and right choice of tools for the client and the data set will make the things easier, and our job of data scientist very easier. So that is what we're going to learn today. So it's going to be also a important session. Like we're going to discover lots of tools and how it's going to be working, how it is going to impact the life of us. So these are the things that we're going to learn today. So it is a crucial part for everyone to know about the some high level kind of tools that we are required for data science, okay, for doing the data science successfully. Yeah guys, so that is what all about that. Yes sir, over to you.
Yes, so introduction to data science tools and softwares, guys. Here we will understand how to use the tools and softwares, which softwares we'll use. So world of data science is it's constantly evolving. So mastering the tools and softwares is very crucial. So we'll understand end to end that how we can use those concepts, whatever concepts we are learning, and through tools and software. So if you have come to this session, guys, please, we request you watch all the previous sessions 5 to 10 times and subscribe to our channels, and also press the bell icon so that you get notification when new session is uploaded, and you will be informed. So and absorb the information, digest the information, and apply. And we'll be having assignments. We already have a lot of assignments. We'll be having projects and other things. So write in the comment section how you are learning, what improvements you want. If you have any feedback, you can give us. We'll always constantly improve the quality of the content and always provide you a lot of deep meta level insights about data science, AI, ML. And with this deep program, you will be learning. So write to us in the comment section and follow the all the instructions end to end so that you get success. Thank you.
So yeah guys, so moving on, we are having first of all we're gonna see python and its data science libraries. Actually we have a dedicated session, right, for python, how to work on the python, like some basic understanding and the fundamentals of python we have learned. Okay, so guys, we are having lots of library that I think we're gonna have a like a dedicated session for what are the libraries in python. But like before going for that, what is a python and its data science library? First is like versatility. So python has a wide range of use for widely used for data analysis, machine learning, and web development, because like it has some inbuilt package which makes the life of us very easier. Okay, so as a data science student, as a data scientist, our job is to create a model which makes the things very easier. That's what our model. But that was our motive. But what if like if we want to show it to the client, it should be in a manner like a user interface, right? Is it our job? No, like, but it is also one of the job of us to make it presentable to the client. So for that, we are having very useful packages which are available in Python. So like Gradio, Streamlight, we can do something like a user kind of interface kind of thing. Once the model is done, we can deploy there and then show it to the user. Okay. Then libraries. I think you guys have already know. So we have a popular libraries like NumPy, which is used for mathematical operation. Pandas is used for a data frame, data manipulation, and then analysis, like those kind of thing. And Scikit-learn, all the machine learning algorithms are there. And then we are having TensorFlow for deep learning algorithms. So yeah, guys, it is not limited to that. We are having n number of algorithms, guys. So sorry, n number of packages for doing everything in Python. Okay. Next is community. So Python has a large and active community providing ample resources and support. So as we are mentioning, right, whatever the error that we are getting in Python will be get by someone in the past. Okay, so it will be very easier for you to fix. Okay, actually, like last week I think so, I got an error related to PyTorch. So don't like is it like it's a kind of package PyTorch. So what happens means I'm just looking into like I'm just running the code, I'm getting the error in PyTorch, I don't know like how to fix it. Okay, I go to Google, I just searched it. There is some website called as Stack Overflow. Okay, which has the same error which is created by someone like in the last year. Okay, see guys, like the same error is done by someone last year. I just copy pasted the code from there. Just I need to like PyTorch is like it's a library which is used to like work with GPU. Okay, when we are moving to the deep learning session, you guys can learn that. So I'm just freeing up the space. I just used a single line of code and it starts to work. So that kind of community we are having. So that's the reason I'm just saying. So blindly go and use Python. Okay, so because like we are having community. Okay, there's a large volume on vast volume of community where you get easy helps. Okay, that's the thing. So next, easy of use. So Python syntax is relatively simple, making it easy to learn and use. I'm not want to explain this to you because like we have a 3 day session, like nearly six to 7 sessions. So you guys are already know Python is like an English language. Okay, I not want to explicitly say Python is very easy and it like an English language. So yeah, this is what all about Python and its data science packages, guys. Yes, sir. Over to you. So yeah, so the thing is that much importance we are having in Python. So Python is like it's very easy, as well as like we are having numerous applications, like numerous what to say extra things we are having in Python. Okay, whenever we need to go for something like a model building, there is only 2 lines of code. Whenever we need to go for a data pre-processing, we are having a pandas which does everything. Okay, so yeah, these are the different things that we are having, guys. Okay, in Python, like I'm just saying, right? So consider we are having. I'm just gonna give you some example. Okay, we are having something called as Rust. Okay, it's a programming language. Okay, he, how many of you guys know about Rust? I don't know, like um, among 100 people, there will be only 5 to 10 people know about Rust. So the community that we are having, right, that will be very less for Rust. Okay, we are not able to like what to say. We are not able to coincide with Rust and then go and use Rust. And if we get a error, consider we will not able to fix it because we doesn't have that much community in Rust. Okay, so we should be in a manner that you should use the programming language which has the community friendly. Okay, so that you doesn't need to waste your time and you just directly go to some website like Stack Overflow and you can find whatever the errors that you are getting. Okay, so yeah, this is what all about Python and its data science library, guys. So hope you guys have understand these things. I will just once again go through the things like we are having versatility. So Python has a wide range of libraries which can be useful for data analysis, machine learning, deep learning applications, and then web developments also. It has some unique packages like NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, libraries, and then TensorFlow to do lots of operations. And then we are having community support, guys. So community support is like it's a larger community support, I will say, because like everybody, whether the person knows a programming language or not, they are using Python because like it has a wide range of community support. And the last thing, Python is like an English language. You just go and use Python. Okay. So hope you guys have understand these things. Okay. So let me know like if you guys have any doubts, you just put it in the comment. And please, guys, please subscribe to our channel because like it's gonna be a year-long program. I don't want to say like anything else. Like you guys, if you guys need to learn this more, okay. So please subscribe to our channel and just comment in the session. What are the things that we need to improve? Okay. So yeah, we will go to the next slide. Okay. So we have learned about Python. Now we're going for R. Okay. So actually we have discussed, right, R and its data science packages. Before going for this, we have already have a session for dedicated R. So if you guys have not looked into it, please go to the playlist that we are having and then just go through it, because like we have a coding session in R which we have covered everything. Okay. So guys, as we have mentioned in those sessions, R is very dedicated for a statistics. Okay. Whenever you need a statistics kinds of approach, then you can go for a R. So it is a traditional package, but it has all the capabilities like that we are having in the Python. Okay. But Python is like, it's a wide range. I will not say R is not a wide range. It is also wide range, but it is very dedicated to a statistics kind of thing. Okay. Whenever you are more responsible to do some statistical kind of thing, then you can go for R. So for me also, I have used it during my MTech. So there is a paper called as probability and statistics where I have used completely R for it. Okay. First is statistical computing. R is a powerful language for statistical analysis and data visualization. So as I mentioned, so it has data manipulation, statistical modeling, and then graphical representation. These are the things that it works very, very interesting, guys. So I think we have a session where we have done with something like data visualization kind of thing by using ggplot. Okay. So guys, like believe me or not, like the visualization which are produced by R is somewhat very, very nice than the Matplotlib that we are having in Python. Okay, I will not say Seaborn. Seaborn is somewhat which is built on top of Matplotlib and it works good. I will say like this like GVG plot, right? It is somewhat attractive when compared to the Matplotlib that we are having. Okay, so the next thing is packages, guys. So R boosters a comprehensive ecosystem of package for diverse data science tasks. Okay, guys, tell me, like they are saying diverse data science tasks. What are they? Okay, so we are having different process, like from data collection and then data pre-processing, data visualization, data modeling, and then data evaluation, and then data deployment. Okay, everything we are having packages, dedicated packages in R. Okay, so first is like for Tideverse, it is for data wrangling, like data cleaning kind of thing. ggplot for advanced visualization, and then we are having character. Okay, this is a library which we use for machine learning. So guys, just ping in the comment like what is the library that we use for machine learning in Python. Carrot is a library which is used for machine learning models in R. Okay, and you guys tell me what is the package that we will be using for machine learning in Python. Okay, so finally we are having community and support, or as a dedicated community that actively develops and maintains the packages. Okay, so I will not say it has a very lesser community, but it also has a vast community, but not like as popular as this Python. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing, guys. Hope you guys have understand what is the main motto of using packages, those things. Okay, guys, one thing compulsory. Okay, whenever you are learning something, okay, you need to know what it is, how it is useful, and what are the things that it can be do. Okay, so yeah, so we have seen about Python and then R. Just have a time, like look into how these packages are very helpful when we compare to different processes that we are having in data science, right? So guys, let us know. Okay, because so let us know if you guys are feeling any difficulties related to the packages. So we are here to help you. Okay, so yeah, I think that's the thing that I'm having. Okay, so the thing is, the major thing that we are having, right? So one is Python. Okay, and it adds its inbuilt data science packages, and we are having R, and it also has inbuilt packages. Okay, so these two things are like it is like a helper for us whenever there is a data scientist and you are needing us to go and work for it. I will just load the data set, and I will just directly go and install Python, and then I start to use it. Okay, so that's a major thing, guys. So we are having that much effective packages in this thing. Okay, so guys, let me know like if you guys are feeling any difficulties related to this, so that we are here to help you. Okay, so we are seeing something like these things. Okay, what are the tools and softwares that we are having? So we have completed Python and then R and their related packages. Okay, so we will go for the next thing. Okay, yeah, SQL and database management system, guys. I hope like most of the guys know about SQL and database management. So I think it's very interesting subject, guys. So for me also, I have so I will tell a tell a story about it, because like during my college time, I used to think why I need SQL. Okay, I know the programming language of Python and R, and I'm gonna do data visualization by using it, or data pre-processing using it. So why I need a query language, data query language, database query language? Now I can understand why I need it, because like in the company, okay, which I am working as a data scientist, they are having a database. Okay, it's the MongoDB database. So in order to fetch the data from that, I need a query language. So, okay, so it's a MongoDB. Don't ask me like you need to learn the MongoDB, right? Why you're learning SQL? So SQL it's like a. Okay, so MongoDB and then Graph database, they are like B, C, D. So as in a programming language, we are having C, right? C is a base. If you guys know about C, then everything is easy for you. You can build all the programming language on top of it, right? So that's a thing, guys. So if you learn SQL, it's very easier for you to learn any other query language. Okay, and it is very helpful for you to collect the data. Okay, whenever the data is in some server, consider, guys, whenever you need to work on data, you need to pull the data from server. In order to pull the data from server, query the data from server, you need a query language. So SQL is the base language, and all other language can be built on top of it. Okay, that's a major thing. Okay, so guys, first thing first, we need a data driver. SQL is a standard query language used to interact with the database, right? So wherever we are having a database, right, you need to work on it. Okay, so in order to work on it, first of all, we need to retrieve the data, right? So how we can retrieve the data? So in order to retrieve the data, we will be using different kind of query languages in order to retrieve the data from the database. Okay, consider we are having a SQL relational database, guys. So how you can retrieve the data? There we are having different statements for retrieving data. A simple statement is a select statement. I don't know how many of you guys know. So let's ping in the comment. So if you guys need a separated or dedicated session on SQL, we can do it. Okay, it's going to be a very simple section. We're going to be having 5 to 10 queries only, like insert, delete, update, create, modify, and then some kind of a truncation. Like those things will be there. So if you guys need some dedicated session for SQL, just ping in the comment. We will create a session for you guys. Okay. So and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because it's going to be a long program. You guys gonna learn everything for free. Okay, and end of this session, end of this entire course, you guys gonna be offered with certificates. Okay, whoever done this assignments, like those things. Okay, so please subscribe to our channel, and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever we upload the videos. Okay, so continuing this, like for data retrieval, like so whenever we need to talk with database, okay, we need a query language, right? So we need to like ask question to the database, and then it will retrieve. For example, I'm having a database, okay, where I'm gonna have the customer ID, customer name, and the salary of it. In order to access the data of salary to my Python code, what I need to do means I need to go for a select statement. It is like a say a filter kind of thing. Consider it is like a access kind of thing. So I need to go there, and I need to say I need the name of the customer ID and then their salary. Like this, I need to go, and then I need to fetch the data and I need to apply to the Python. Okay, this is a way of retrieving the things, guys. Okay, I'm just telling in a layman manner. Okay, this is how we can retrieve from the SQL table. Okay, that is what a data retrieval. Next, data manipulation, guys. So SQL allows you to create, update, and delete data within the database. That's a major thing, guys. Okay, whenever you collect and store the data in the database, it should be flexible enough to create a new table, update the table, and also delete the table, guys. These things are very important. Okay, if you have a database, then there is no modification that it can accept. Means it will be very not useful, right? But it will be useful in some scenario when you are just storing the password, right? You need a database where you cannot change the password. Okay, it should be like security kind of thing. So but most of the cases you should have a database which can be creatable, updatable, and then deletable. Okay, that kind of database that you should choose. So SQL relational database has that capability, and all of the database has the capability. I think we can go for some kind of tag kind of thing, so that we can close everything, and we can make it in the manner that it cannot be accessible. Okay, so like that we can do. So for data manipulation, like from my understanding, like you need to have a database which can be accessible by everyone, and we can do data travel like those things. But hope in the companies, if you go, like there will be some kind of hierarchy. So administrator has a hierarchy of doing everything, whereas persons like data scientists, they have some restriction, whereas the data analyst and data engineer, they are more restriction when compared to the data scientist. Okay, so that is what, so that we can make the data more comfortable and then more secure. Okay, sir is explaining every time. we should follow the ethics whenever we go for data. Okay, that is very very important, guys. Okay, so finally we are having database management. Understanding database concept is crucial for effective data storage and retrieval. Okay, I will say this thing, guys. So whenever you have a data, we know how to store the data, but we should be able to retrieve the data in very easier manner. It should not be time consuming, guys. That's a major thing. So we are having different kind of structures, right? We are having stack. Okay, you know stack, right? So let us consider we are having a plates. Okay, the eating plates, and we are just putting the first plate, second plate, third plate, fourth plate, and fifth plate. When I need to retrieve the data, if I need to retrieve the data of first plate, I need to just go to the process of getting down the first fifth plate, fourth plate, third plate, second plate, and then only first plate. So it is a very very time consuming process, right? So you should store the data in the manner that it can be easily retrievable. So relation database makes it very easier. We will be having keys kind of thing through which we can access the data very easily. Okay, so storing is also very important, and more than that, the retrieval process is also that much important. Okay, so hope like you guys have understood what I'm just trying to convey. So this is what all about SQL and database management system. Okay, so actually we are just going through data science tools and technologies. Okay, like we have seen about Python and its libraries, or in its libraries. Now we have seen SQL and its database management system. Okay, so hope you guys have enjoyed this session, guys. Please note that, because like if you guys are to this stage, please watch all the previous sessions. So we are insisting, like, so that only we can you can have a better understanding of what we are doing or what we are teaching. Okay, because like there are different sessions. Okay, we have started from scratch. We have gone through some theoretical concept, then some programming concept, and then we ended up with some coding concept. Now we are discussing some data science process also we have discussed, and now we are discussing some tools and technologies. So that is a flow. Okay, so you guys need to watch all the previous videos so that you can come to this video so that you can have a better understanding. So guys, we are here. Okay, let us know if anything that you are having doubts, and just look into the assignments which we have given in the coding sessions. Okay, just share us in the comment section. We are here to help you. Okay, we are always here to help you. Just so make notes of it. If you are feeling any difficulties, okay, just ping in the comments, and subscribe to our channel, guys, so that you're not gonna miss any sessions. So yeah, that's it from my side, guys. Meet you all in the next section, and then till then, bye. Take care, guys. Bye.